Let's burp the alphabet. Go.
A, E, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, A, L, M, N, Q, R, S, T,
You're gonna throw up.
W, X, Y.
Ha! I burped it. I'll do it again. No, I will not.